Happy Friday, my friends. You know, Herrera Insurance Marketing for 2024 is on track to break a record in terms of how many people we have helped get into the insurance business. And so far, for the first 3 months of the year, we've helped over 500 start their journey in obtaining their life insurance license. And that starts by signing up for their insurance pre-licensing courses. And that's a great number. And what it's shown me is just how many people are really tired of what they're currently doing. Whether it's a youngster that's just getting out of high school or somebody that's in their 80s looking to still do something, the insurance industry has become a very attractive vehicle to make a living and really get out of maybe what they're currently doing. In fact, the other day I was watching a podcast by Les Brown, who said that 85% of Americans hate their job. Think about that. 85% hate what they're currently doing. But they're doing it because, hey, you got to pay the bills. I understand. But it was really motivating to me to keep pushing the message of selling life insurance. For me personally, this month of March marks 20 years since I started selling life insurance. And when I did, I was 25 years old. And it's been the best decision that I made of getting into this industry. One, because I could earn as much as I wanted. I'm my own boss. I could set my own schedule. And what I put into it, I've gotten back many, many times over in the form of insurance renewals. But that's something else to talk about. But one of the things that I want to do moving forward once a month is I want to do a career orientation where I show you exactly what it is that we do in the financial service industry. For me, my specialty has been life insurance sales, whole life, but under final expense category. And that's the only product that I have focused over all these years, selling final expense. And I want to do once a month orientation where I break it down, because it's very, very simple in what we do. The demand for it has never been higher. And if you love sales, you love the rush of making commissions daily, this can be a great fit for you, just like it was for me over 20 years. In fact, final expense is a product that a lot of people don't realize they need. And I want to share with you why. Think of, when's the last time you saw somebody that was asking for money to help bury somebody? In my community, you see it all the time. Car washes, potlucks, GoFundMes to help pay for funeral arrangements. I mean, the most basic cost associated when someone passes away is to be put away with dignity. But a lot of people don't realize that when we pass away, our family is going to need money within 24, 72 hours to pay the funeral home, or else the funeral home ain't going to do nothing. Social Security only pays $255 when we pass away. If you're a veteran, you get certain items paid for, but most comes out of pocket. So how does the family pay for this stuff? Well, either you got cash on hand, you prepaid your funeral beforehand, or you have a small life insurance policy, which we call final expense, that covers those costs within those 24 hours. And the beauty of final expense is that most people that apply qualify. No medical exams, typically 6 to 12 health questions asked. And again, over 90% of people qualify for the coverage with good benefits. And the demand has never been higher. My first year when I started, I grossed $113,000 my first year. I doubled it my second year, and I never looked back. And the beauty of it is that you're building residual income, meaning for every policy that you sell, every family you insure, every single month when they make that premium payment, you get a thank you check in the form of an insurance renewal commission. So once a month, I want to break down through this career orientation exactly what it is that it takes to sell the products, how you do it, where you do it, and the most important thing, whether you want to do this face to face or my personal preference over the telephone, where I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're interested in the month of April, go ahead and check out the information here in the bottom section. I have my website. Register your name, your phone number, and mention this orientation in the description box in that registration, and I'll send you out an invitation for that specific date. I'm going to do it once a month. If you're watching this again and you're not happy with the current job that you have, consider a change into the financial service industry. You can start part-time and transition full-time. If you're not licensed, I can help you with that as well. Like I said, over 500 people this year alone have started that journey. So go to excelsolutions.com and under life, sign up for either the standard or premier. The premier has all the bells and whistles to help you study. And the great thing is that you can study on your tablet, your cell phone, on the go. And it's less than 52 hours of self-study online. And then once you have that certificate of study, then you can go to your state, do the exam. You must pass a background check, and they'll issue you a license that will allow for you to go and sell life insurance. This has been one of the best decisions that I made 20 years ago for me, my family, and many others that I helped get into this business, because you are your own boss. You set your own times, and you can make as much as you want depending on how hungry you are. Everybody's different. But if you love the rush of sales and you love getting paid daily, this can be a great fit. As Les Brown said, 85% of Americans hate their current job. Well, it's time that you do something about it. So go ahead, sign up for this orientation that I'm going to have. Go to my website, register. In fact, in my website, you'll get a lot more information about Final Expense, and you'll learn more about our exclusive carrier, which is Senior Life Insurance Company. And sign up for the orientation, and I'll see you then. Peace.